Another database that you can explore and exhaust in your research and studies is the Gale Cengage Learning. Gale offers a variety of resources for education, lifelong learning, and academic research. Whether you are looking for peer-reviewed articles, full-text magazines, newspapers, ebooks, videos, or podcasts, Gale puts the right evaluated content and tools at your fingertips. And these are the various databases that comprises the Gale Cengage Learning, and that you can use and search on simultaneously or separately. Let's go ahead explore the Gale database. The Gale has a single search box on it where you can enter your desired terms. And below it are the varied searchable product that you can choose that shows the results of your searched term. In the search box, enter a search term or phrase that is relevant to your topic into the box on this page. And you can choose on whatever products you want your result to be covered, or you could also just tick on select all if you want a wider result of your topic. Gale will show results ranging from magazines, academic journals, books, news, images, videos, and audio that you can select and explore on. There are also several ways to filter your results. First is the publication date. You can manually choose on what is your desired date range to limit your search to articles that were published during a particular time frame. Second is the subject. You have the option to select on whatever subjects related to find your desired result. Third is the document type. There are various types that you can choose ranging from articles, interviews, discussion, essays, and etc. where your result will be focused on. And lastly, is the publication title. You can also select on several publications that contains your search term entered. Next, you can also limit your search. You can mark the full text option to find only documents that provide the complete full text, rather than just the citation or abstract. You may also mark document contains images, to find articles that have images. Moving forward for the results list. After entering your search terms and setting whatever fields and limiters you prefer, a list of articles will be displayed that matches your search criteria. Your articles will be displayed by relevance, but may be resorted by descending or ascending date by using the drop-down menu. Next is on citing, emailing, and printing articles. After selecting your desired article, you may print, email, or save it at your own convenience. In citing the article, you can choose either MLA, APA, or the Chicago citation format. You also has the option of sending the article via your Google Drive, OneDrive, or email. Or you can also download it directly in your device for easy access. And most of the articles can be printed right away. Other special features that the Gale database has are, first, is the translator. You can translate the whole article to whatever language that you want. Second, is the font size. You can adjust the font size to have a better view of what you are reading. And lastly, you have the convenience of listening instead of reading the whole article. An automated voice will read the article for you, and you can also download or save it to MP3 format so that you can listen to it later. And there you have it. You can now access the Gale database.